What is up, guys? So I'm going to give you a quick breakdown of how I made $2,000 on Sunday off of Bitcoin. So first things first, if you're not in my free Telegram, make sure you go do that because I call the move in my free Telegram, okay? So in my free Telegram, I give out my insight, dope information, things that's happening in the market, technology, and all that good stuff. We can see here, January 24th, I was calling that I was looking for price to go lower, and I basically gave you all the targets below as well, right? So if you're, a new trader or you're just interested in just having an idea where the market's going to go, I usually have a pretty good insight. So again, make sure you're following that free Telegram. Okay, so I want to go into the explanation of what I was thinking, my mindset, and how I took this trade. So in this particular trade, as you can see, I was on a 12-hour time frame. You can see the time frame at the bottom. I want to identify my significant lows and highs on that particular time frame because the time frame I'm going to be basing my bias and trade off of. Now, after identifying my significant lows, you can see all these lows at the bottom, and then we had this top high. We came up and we started consolidating at this high. So I was able to identify that I was basically in a range. Now, for a new trader, it may take you a while to identify that, right? And that is okay. But as you get used to trading, looking at the markets and spending that time in the markets, you'll be able to identify that. So identifying I was stuck in a range, right? I could see that price was basically consolidating up here, right? And we basically on a 12-hour time frame, I was looking for these 12-hour candles to basically start breaking through. And I basically put a sell limit on this particular trade, looking to target the middle of this range, right? Because sometimes we'll come into the middle of this range and bounce back up, then come back down, and go all the way higher. We don't know. In a range, the possibilities can be very tricky to identify and basically make a trade off of when you're stuck in the middle of this range. So we're looking to take a trade at the top of the range or the bottom of that range. Top of the range, you're looking to sell. Bottom of that range, you're particularly looking to buy, okay? Now we could take a closer look, right? And this is basically that consolidation that I was looking for. And I was looking for a break below out of this consolidation. So after that break, I got that confirmation. I was able to enter that trade, putting my stops above that consolidation here with these candles. And we came right down to that medium area that I was basically talking about and targeted in the free Telegram. And you could see here, I took a screenshot of my entry, right? Later on in the day, I was able to move my stops to break even. So for new traders, that's a really good technique to do so you don't risk or lose any money at all. That's a really dope thing about trading, is that when you understand what you're doing, at some point, particular in your trade, you can move your stops to break even and it's risk free. If you guys want to see more breakdowns like this, make sure you leave a comment below, like and share this video, and I'll see you guys in the free Telegram.